What is QuickFix? A one-stop maintenance provider. Need help with your AC? Facing electricity problems? Water leakage is a nightmare for you? Doors not working properly? Need help in fixing new furniture? Need a repaint? Looking for best cleaning service? Need someone for tiling and marble work? Need a glass partition in your office? Or any other maintenance service? Call QuickFix. Problem solved. 600-543-324. Or place your inquiry online at QuickFixFm.com. Follow us on social media.